Hello, I'm Jim Brown with Fish Window Cleaning. Been doing this for 15 years. About 10 years ago, we found this product that one of our manufactured or invented in one of our neighborhood cities that helps solve a problem that all window cleaners have: getting a screen clean, getting it looking beautiful for your customer, and doing it without killing yourself and spending a lot of time doing it. Screen Magic is what we use all the time now to do the final clean on screen. I upsell that product mainly by showing people what I'll do and telling them what I'll do for their screen. It makes their screen look better. We've restored screens to the fact where people aren't having to replace them as often, and it's going to last. I'll tell them that out here in the southwest, we have dust storms, or haboos as they call them now, and you might come out after the haboo and your screen looks blotchy, dirty, really dirty. So give it a day or two, come out, that Screen Magic's worked. The dirt's going to fall off. And it usually lasts 2 to 3 months or more. It depends on how exposed your house is, but it does really top dress your house to make it look really nice, having your screens look nice. And I think it makes your screens last longer.
Go ahead.
Hey, one thing we discovered early is there's lots of ways to clean the screen, and lots of people want you to scrub them with water, soap and water. It's a very time-consuming process. You have to let it dry for a long time. Then you worry about the water leaking out of the screen and causing a problem there. So this just saves us so much time, and our customers have a far superior product than they would scrubbing your screens with soap and water. And you can upsell that, and it saves your back. So you're going to make more money in less time and won't have that backache at the end of the day doing the house. Some people wonder how we charge. Standard screen like this, which is a kind of a medium to large double hung window, a screen that size, we're charging $7. We may go a little smaller and a little bigger for that. Big sliding door screen, we could charge it as 2 of those screens, $14. This has 3 separate screens, and you've got to do a lot of fine work in it. We're charging anywhere from $21 to $25 for that screen. It's got a lot of twirly, decorative iron. We may charge a little more. We're just trying to do an estimate of time on something like that. But that's what we charge for them. So if you're interested, get some Screen Magic.